This is now too about the how does it work? The Black Diamond Icon 500. Maybe a lot of them. So basically, when you press on the top button, it toggle the light. See? So when I'm pressing that button, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. That's a simple tap. But if you want to turn on the other light, you do a double tap. See? So now the next time I turn it off and I want to turn it on again, I press it and it reopens on the same light state. So let's turn it off, turn it on. Always the same one. So if I want the other light, well, I turn it off and double press it. Now I'll switch the light. Now, let's say I want the other light. Double tap. Now I've got the other one. Now at any time when on any light state, if you press and hold the button like this, it dims the light. And when you see that flash, it means that you reach the minimum or the maximum. Go on the other light state. This one, I can go, the maximum is the two lights on. So that's a minimum, and that's the maximum. That's the 500 lumen. There's also a stroboscope. For this, you have to turn it up by pressing that button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's the strobe. And if I press and hold, you change how fast it's strobe. But this one, if I turn it off and turn it on again, it returns to that normal light. Now, there is color also. So, while it's off, press it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now I've got the blue. If I want to switch it, I press it 2 times while it's on. Now I've got the green. Oh, that's a red. And the green. Double time, blue, red, green. If I turn it off a single time, turn it on, return on the color. So now if I want to switch to color mode and light mode, turn it off and press 2 seconds. There it is. Turn it off, 2 seconds. Color. 2 seconds. Light. It's pretty much that's it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!